Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. In this video we are going to discuss the post advertised by Broadcast Engineering Consultants India Limited. That is a Government of India enterprise under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, a mini Ratna company. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. BECIL, that is Broadcasting Engineering Consultants India Limited, a Government of India enterprise under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, a mini Ratna company, has given the advertisement number 59 for the various posts as we are going to discuss. First post is Cybercrime Threat Intelligence Analyst, one post for Hyderabad. Second post is Cybercrime Investigator, Cybercrime Investigating Researcher, one post for Delhi office. Third post is Software Developer, Software Programmer, 3 posts are for Delhi office and 1 post is for Legal Assistant, that is for Delhi office. It is mentioned that only shortlisted CVs will be invited for interview. Interview will be held in Delhi. The interviews may include skill test on IT tool. Interview may be conducted in 2 steps if necessary. Online interviews may be conducted if required. No TADA will be paid for attending the test, written exam, interview, joining the duty on selection. Application must be submitted online only for the above post. What are the application fees? The application fees for general category, it is 750. For OBC 750. For SC/ST 450. Ex-serviceman 750. For women candidate 750, and for EWS and PH category it is 450 rupees. You have to apply online. For the Cybercrime Threat Intelligence Analyst, the total 5 years experience is required and relevant experience more than 3 years. One position is there and the indicated professional monthly remuneration would be 1,40,000. Essential qualification is BE, BTech, Computer Science, Electronics and Communication, or engineering graduate, MTech or MCA, or any other postgraduate degree in the area of IT, computer science, electronic and telecommunication, understanding of network protocols, data on wire, convert channel, ciphers and shell scripting. Desired certification requirement is industry certification like CISSP, CISM, CEH, OSCP or any other equivalent certification. Experience in working with law enforcement agency in India or abroad is desirable. For Cybercrime Investigator, Cybercrime Investigation Researcher, total 5+ experience is required. Relevant experience is 5 years and above. Number of position is 1 and the monthly salary is 1 lakh. The requirement is 5 years of experience in cybercrime investigation, research or in the field of cyber security, digital forensics, cybercrime investigation. Essential qualification is Bachelor in IT, Computer Science, Electronic and Telecommunication or Engineering graduate, MTech or BCA, MCA or any other postgraduate degree in the area of IT, Computer Science, Electronic and Telecommunication. Desired industry certification is CEH, CH, FI, OSCP, GCFA, GCIH, GIAC, ENCE, CFE or equivalent certification related to cyber security, forensics domain. Industry certification related to OSINT, social media analytics, cyber defense, information assurance, experience of working with open source, social media based investigation. Third post is Software Developer, Software Programmer, wherein 5+ experience is required. Relevant experience is 5 years. Number of positions are 3 and the total monthly salary is approximately 1 lakh rupees. The technical experience is 5 years as an post qualification experience in software development and the requirement is bachelor degree in engineering in electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation, computer science and engineering, electrical and electronics, electrical, information technology, information science only. And the fourth post is legal assistant, wherein total experience required is 5+ years. Relevant years of experience is more than 2 years. First one position is there and the monthly salary would be 52,500 rupees. The essential qualification requirement is graduation in LLB or LLM with desired qualification is postgraduate diploma in cyber law. So these are the posts which has been notified by BECIL. Now how to apply for these posts? It is given that you have to apply on BECIL website www.becil.com and go on a career section and then click registration form online. Then after that, please read how to apply before filling the online application. In case of any technical problem faced while applying online, you can get back to the Mr. Khushwinder Singh, that is on KHUSWINDERSINGH@becil.com, and for queries other than technical, it is cyberjobs@becil.com. The last date of submission of application form is 31st of May 2021. How to apply? Go on either becil.com or becilregistration.com, and then all the steps you have to complete. Select advertisement number, enter basic details, enter education details, work experience, upload scanned photo, signature, birth certificate, 10th certificate, caste certificate, application preview or modify. Then you have to pay it online and email your scanned copies to the email ID mentioned in the last page of the application form. So when you will apply it online, in the last page of online application, when you will submit and take a printout, you will be getting an email ID wherein you have to send all the documents scanned copy along with the application form. So whosoever is interested and is eligible, kindly apply for these posts. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video and have a very nice day.